Guys, I finally made it to Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Do you know how long this has been on my bucket list?
What?
Forever. Like, this is like words just there's no words to describe how awesome this is. Like, this is insane. Lighten this up a little bit. There we go. This is incredible.
Even the local Swiss restaurants. Yeah.
The corridors are just endless. Wow. Like, look at this. This is just insane. Wow. Like, it's surreal being here. And just the intricacy behind this temple is just unreal. Like, look at this. Turn the wide angle on. And just wow. Just darken this. Wow, wow, wow. This is just absolutely insane. Like, there's no better way to describe this.
Buddha statue. You can see through.
They're doing some construction on it, but nonetheless, wow, is all I can say. 'Cause this is unreal. Wow. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is just unreal just being here. Like, wow. Like, this is literally a dream come true, and I'm just so glad I made it out here. And thanks for those who've been following me since I left. And wow, I'm speechless. I really am. Yeah, this is Angkor Wat.